Hello, I'm in a 2011 Hyundai Santa Fe. Today I'm going to show you how to pair your phone Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, I'm going to start the vehicle, and while that loads, make sure your phone is enabled with your Bluetooth with your pairing menu. So now we'll go to Setup, and then scroll to Phone, select, and then we're going to try to pair. This vehicle actually has too many phones connected, so we're going to have to delete one, but I'll show you what that shows. Phone slot full. So settings, scroll to phone, select. Now we're going to delete any of the phones. It shouldn't really matter. We deleted that one. So now we're going to try to set up the new one. Pair phone. Now from here, make sure it's in pairing mode. There's Santa Fe. That's what we're connected to.
Failed.
Well, don't like that. Try it again.
Pairing failed.
Sometimes you got to try a few times on these. Maybe restart the car, restart the phone. There, pair phone. Available.
Pairing failed.
That's in the bueno. I'll try deleting more phones. Looks like this has 5 max slots.
Phone deleted.
Alright, I'll try restarting the pairing. Alright, and passkey 000. That's probably why it was failing, because it wasn't prompting the pairing pin.
Pairing complete.
That's it. Now you should be able to take calls, maybe listen to music, things like that.
Connection complete.
But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.